So I'm gonna try some backwards engineering here.
It works. Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Handy Matt, and today is a hot, nasty, sticky Texas afternoon, but we got work to do. I got a bottle of oxygen yesterday, so I'm good to go on my torch, and I gotta start cutting out some more pieces and modifying a couple things for this this little skid tractor, you know, forklift skid I'm putting underneath my lathe. So just gonna fire the torch up and get going. Have fun watching. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for today. Didn't have a lot of time, had a bunch of service calls and things like that for my business, so that's it. Tomorrow we'll continue. We'll do some grinding, a little bit more cutting, and get things started to fit together in a nice square rectangle. But yeah, it's getting late, so thanks for watching. Best way to support this channel, hit that share button, subscribe if you haven't, hit the like button, drop a comment, leave something stupid, tell me I'm stupid, tell me I'm an idiot, I don't care. Just drop a comment if you could. I'll see you next time. Laters.